All right, I'm starting my practice off with a doTERRA Balance Essential Oil. It has a beautiful woodsy scent. It creates a really calming atmosphere. I think you'll enjoy. There's a link in the comments if you want to try it out. We're just doing a really nice, gentle stretch today. If you feel really tight in your hips, I want to suggest sitting up on a blanket or even two or three, a pillow, or you can even do this one sitting in a chair if that feels better. So take a few deep breaths of your oil if you're using one. Whenever you're ready, bring your hands to your thighs. You can take that fleshy part of your thigh, bring it up and back so you feel really nice and grounded if you're sitting down on the ground. Just start to connect to your breathing. Feel your shoulders soften. Deepen your inhale, lengthen your exhale. Allow yourself to be present for this short practice that we have. As thoughts come to your mind, just gently sending them to the back of your mind as you focus on your breathing. No judgment. Bring your hands to your heart center, palms touch, 5 fingertips touch. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Open your mouth side out. Nice. Bring your hands back to the sides. Bring them to your sides. Roll your shoulders up. Inhale. Exhale down your back. Do that a few times, just unwinding. Inhale to lift. Exhale down one last time. Good. Now drop your left ear to your left shoulder. Breathe into the side of your neck. And now draw a line with your nose down towards the ground. So that stretch, move, and then draw the line up towards the ceiling. Feeling that stretch around your clavicle. Now draw the line down, drop your chin towards your chest, and move your right ear to your right shoulder. Breathe into the side of the neck. Draw that line with your nose down, feel that stretch, move. And then draw the line up. Stretch, moves right around the clavicle, front of the shoulder. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Drop your chin now toward your chest and hold it here. Sit up tall. Soften your shoulders down. Breathe into your upper back, the back of your neck. Now lift your chin, lift your arms. Inhale, bring your palms together. Exhale, palms come to your heart center. Good. Inhale, sweep it up. This time on your exhale, left hand comes down. Stretch through your right arm so much you start to tilt over, feeling that side stretch. And then inhale, both hands come up through center. Exhale, right hand down, stretch through your left arm, breathing into your side body. You can look up towards the ceiling if it feels okay on your neck. And then we're going to flow back and forth here. So on your next inhale, bring your hands through center. And then exhale, opposite hand down and stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. One more time like that. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, and this time on your exhale, twist to the right. So bring your left hand over to your right knee, your opposite hand behind you. Inhale, find length through your spine. Exhale, twist more, maybe looking over that right shoulder. Both hip bones are facing forward. And then inhale, bring that back hand up, face forward. Drop it to the opposite knee, head and chest come forward. Sway side to side. Good. Come center, reach your arms forward. Feel a big stretch. And you don't have to be folded as much as I am. So you just come to where it feels good in your body. Walk your hands up, roll it up. Let's do the other side. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, twist to the left. Always finding length with your inhale and twisting a little more with your exhale. You can look over the back shoulder if it feels good on your neck, but again, don't force anything. Good. Bring your back hand up. Inhale, exhale to the opposite knee, head and chest forward. Sway side to side. And come center. Walk your hands forward. Remember, you could be lifted. You don't have to be down very far. Only come to right where you start to feel the stretch, and then use your breath to settle in. And gently start to walk your hands up. Roll it up one vertebra at a time. Good. Inhale, sweep your hands up. Exhale, cactus your arms now. Hold it here. Inhale, open up through your heart. Exhale, round elbow to elbow, round through your back. Inhale, open up, cactus arms. Exhale, round elbow to elbow. Inhale, this time open your arms wide. And on your exhale, bring your right arm over your left. Give yourself a hug. And start to roll forward. Drop your elbows towards your belly. Inhale, open your arms wide. Exhale, left elbow over right. Give yourself a hug. Drop elbows to belly. Inhale. Roll yourself up. Bring your hands to your knees. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Open your mouth side out. Have a wonderful day.